Good morning, ladies and gents. It is currently 9:46. I've been up since 9 o'clock. Got to go for blood tests. Gonna come back, have a shower. Still got a cough. Have a shower. Pete's coming in for 12. Then I'm doing a moto vlog today, so could be really good. Like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna do a moto vlog. Well, I'm gonna do it. I don't know if Pete's gonna do it, but yeah. Just shout out to the new EXO top, Syndica Original. Loving your style. Very nice. Very, very nice.
He don't want to be in a pop, but I'm going to have to get his hands in it because he's doing it. But he's currently flipping the bulb by wings. We'll change the shoes lights, that light as well. And then we're going to go for a little ride motor vlog, aren't we, Peter?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm from Richmond when McDonald's reviewed hungry. What? I've actually got the camera on my helmet. I've shot some footage, but yeah, where are we off to now? Fuck those. So stay tuned. That was a ride and a half. I'm not going to lie, wasn't it? Ride and a half, ride and a half. But we are I have no idea where the fuck we actually are. we're in Boreham, but we just stopped here because I was bursting for a piss and he needed to take photos of his bike for some reason. But I am fucking filthy because his bike produces so much fucking dirt, it's unreal. And yeah, this camera has been very good. So far I've got like 17 minutes worth of footage I need to edit, put all the best bits together and whatever. But this is what you sort of call English countryside, I guess, and obviously the weather's pure shit as per usual. But how you liking it, Pete?
It's alright.
Is that what you have to say? It's a boring fucker, but no idea where we're going to go now, but it could be a fun vlog today. It's going to be a very fun vlog, but there's lots of arseholes on the road, so they'll be maybe putting a vlog.
One arsehole, that's you.
I know I'm an arsehole, but your riding is sometimes fucking atrocious. Just so you know. So yeah. We pulled over at another place in Boreham. It's literally like pure countryside. It's so fucking beautiful. So it's very nice. This is the road, Week Bridge, and we're gonna head down that way now. So beautiful fucking scenery, like literally. I know the weather's quite shit, but and then you get a big fat bastard like that, ruin it.
Can.
But yeah, Week Bridge. But yeah, this is the scenery we've stopped by. So I think for the first motor vlog I've done, this is going to be a very good vlog, so yeah. So this is where we are, guys. I did just do like a bit on me, but Chris just moved his bike over there so he can get a good photograph. Doing my bike there, I've already taken some photos of this bike for the thumbnail today, so going to be very, very nice. I'm now home. It's freezing outside, so that's me done for the day. Done my motor vlog. It's on the camera. Just got to get a SD card reader, put it into that, and then edit it on my laptop. So today's vlog most likely will be late because I've got to edit so much shit tonight. It's unreal. So pussy. Right, guys, I've just like edited the footage that I've taken. There's only one clip I'm gonna put on the vlog today that's actually decent because my camera's actually pointing down, so you only see the road. But in this clip you actually get to see a bit more of it. So tomorrow I'm going to probably go on another ride, but on my own. I can do another motor vlog. It does say that the date on the thing, don't worry about that. I haven't actually done any settings on the camera, just start recording. So gonna get the vlog uploaded now, so hopefully this is going to go well. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, ding dong that bell for notifications. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. Have a good night.